Do you want to drive a flash car like this one? In reality, this is what people have. It's they don't really do a good job of actually making money on Shopify. So today we'll show you how to make some great money on Shopify. Welcome everybody. In this video today we are going to be going through the difference between a $100 store and a $100,000 store and how I can tell the difference between each one, and to show you what to model for your own Shopify store and how to make tons. So we're going to get into it. Let's go on to the first one. So this is the first page. This is the first website in question. Its main homepage takes you straight to the product page, and what it is some sort of neck massager. It's a decent, really good product. However, the difference between marketing makes this store make not as much money. Well, they probably do make a decent amount of money from each sale, compared to this other store that we're going to be looking at, it's making tons more. So what we're going to be going through is the complete difference. So you can see here, it takes you straight to the product page. And if you ain't familiar with Shopify, a lot of people make the website, so make the web page just sort of highlight the products and highlight what they're selling on the home page, and then they have each product page, which is like this, to sell the product to the person, not the information. So you see they've got 3 basic images, and there's no real emotional reactional images, so I don't know what this looks like around someone's neck. All I can see is it says goodbye to neck pain forever with neck halo. Okay, so what we can do is scroll through and you can see the benefits. So it shows us some really good benefits, basically showing what it does. Has some good infographics here, so showing that it has a remote to it, it spins around looking quite cool, like a little GIF. Little GIFs are really good, to be honest, and they do help sell your site. Sell your product. So they really do. It shows you that you have 3 massage modes, long battery life, and then it has this little image here basically saying what the key benefits are again. And then it sort of goes, it helps reduce neck pain, stiffness, arthritis in shoulders and upper back, headaches, dizziness, you get the picture. So it basically says what it helps. It doesn't say how it's helped it. So basically in this sort of thing, in this page right now, they could improve it by saying how it helps neck pain and stiffness, how it helps arthritis, how it helps headaches and dizziness, exactly like that. My opinion is though that for this page, for this actual website themselves, is they're just taking Facebook ads and sending them onto there. Now they do have testimonials under here, they don't have too many though, so you can read through and see that a lot of people have used this product in the past. It helps social proof it for a lot of people, so people could see these testimonials and go, oh yeah, you know what, I actually trust these. You can read through it, see that they're mostly all legit. And it says 50% off for a limited time only. Just click add to cart to get yours now. What you could do, obviously they're doing a good call to action, so it's obviously discounted, saying they're obviously saying it's $180, now it's $90. They're saying that it's 50% off for a limited time. What usually helps though, if you're doing a call to action like saying 50% off for a limited time only, then people are going to be like, well, how long is this limited time? You know, if people are quite smart for this and just be like, it's not going to be, what's limited time? One thing you can do as well, I believe there's a Shopify app called Countdown. You can put this countdown app onto each of your product pages. Whenever someone clicks on, you can see like it starts to count down, and you can see the amount of time that it has left for 50% off. Now, usually just be honest with your customers and actually do it so it's 50% off for a limited time, and take off the 50% and then put that back on each now and again. So it shows to people that it's actually, there's an element of scarcity there. Okay. So it's got the full details, everything like that. So there's not really much to this. There's happy customers. You can track the order, which is always good. Free track shipping. It has these little 30-day guarantees at the bottom. 30-day guarantee, free track shipping. speedy customer service, which is good, and a safe and secure checkout. Then an FAQ section as well, with not too much on, but it gives quite a lot of detail, so that's decent. Now let's go on to the store that's making tons more money than this. Now, as you can see with this one, it has a little pop-up in the corner showcasing the product first, and then it goes away. One of the reasons why this makes a lot of money is that they have a lot of products that help the same issues that are being highlighted throughout every single one. I mean, you have one of the reasons why they make a lot more money is that you have different products, all branded, doing the same sort of job. So you got a massage gun, a posture corrector to make sure your posture's better, a muscle stimulator, compression socks, which I guess is for arthritis potentially in your ankles and shins, and then compression gloves, which is for your hands and stuff like that, and then knee supporters, stuff like that as well. So I believe this is good, and they're making tons of money because they're most likely doing upsales. So if you click on the neck massage right here, you can see that they're obviously doing everything a lot better. They're saying your 50% discount code has been applied. It'll be valid for this amount of time, for an hour. Now, this is what I was mentioning before. They're using a countdown clock. A lot more people would be like, oh, rush to jump that. Now they got the emotional reactional images as well. So that's going to be a lot better. And I'm guessing the site loads a lot quicker as well. So what we can do is we can go to something called gtmetrics.com. And this sort of shows how quick your actual page loads. So we put in here mrknuckle.com and it'll add it to the queue. So we just gotta wait a bit while it loads. But while it's loading, we'll go into more features of this. So because it's got more on the page and it loads faster, then Google are gonna rank it higher as well, and people won't be clicking off it as much because they'll be going straight onto it and be going like, yeah, I can go into this dead quick, and there's a lot of information keeping you involved. So you've got, it sort of shows every sort of feature in the images right here, which is really good. Easy portable charging, it sort of shows the charging options, shows different things like the thermostat module, the elastic arm, everything that's really good about it. It also has 3 massage modes, 15 intensities, that's quite good as well. And then it goes into detail, so it goes into the benefits, has a little image right next to it, the before and after, which is quite good. Heat and pulse principles, and you see the design, they've sort of done it so they've taught a bit about how the product helps your problem. So it identifies the pain points in the first bit of text, and the more you scroll down, you can see that they've done a really good layout here where they put a text on one side and then an image on the other side, and reversed it this way, so put an image on this side and then a text. Now this is good just for people that are scrolling down and they just want to read through everything. It's going to be really good for them. So they're going to read through, it helps people read through more as well and go through to the bottom. It tells you who it's for people relaxing at home, people traveling, people with tension, headaches, better sleep, muscle relief. And then it shows you what it includes. So this is a nice little image and infographic here of what is actually included within the site. So what you can do is you can scroll through and see that it includes a manual that's all for free, the actual neck massage, a charging USB and a remote control. This is a great thing as well because it sort of shows that it's more of a package. So these people are sort of selling like a package onto to them. And then as you scroll to the bottom, you have the FAQs, and then you have customers who bought this also bought. This is one of the main reasons why they're going to be selling a lot more products than the other site. Not more products, they're going to be making a lot more money than the other site. Not because the prices of this neck massager is up $10. It's going to be because they've got a lot more products on here, and they're probably doing upsells once you get onto your checkout page. So let's try this. So if I click add to cart, I get on here, And yeah, exactly what I was saying. Our customers also fall in love with these products. So then it shows what the products are, the discounts on each product, and obviously they put the neck massage in twice there, but you can let that off. So it basically just sells a lot more. So people who are going on here to buy one product might be like, oh, I actually need this massage gun as well. And then you can click onto massage gun and read more about that, and then add that to the cart as well. And then you've got even the frequently bought together on the checkout page as well, which is amazing. And they're going to be getting a lot of value from this. So let's look at the other pages on the website. Let's see what this is. Refer and earn up to $450. Earn up to $450 in cash by helping your friends and family relieve their hand pain. All right, okay. Our mission at Miss Knuckle is to help as many people as possible, and we've launched our referral program to help us do so. How does it work? You share our product links with your friends and family. Tell them we have a results or full refund guarantee so that you can try our products risk-free. After they bought, provide us with their order confirmation numbers. You'll get cash directly to your PayPal account. Wow, that's actually really good. So basically, another way that they've encouraged sales is by adding a referral program. So this is quite a good referral program. So they're sort of so they're encouraging people to tell the family and friends and to sell the product for them. So this is probably an amazing reason why they're actually making a lot of money as well. Okay, so all you gotta do is enter. Wow, most customers refer for 5 friends for $75. So that's another reason why they're gonna be earning a lot more money. So if you're gonna be starting some sort of dropshipping store, then you could do a similar thing to this, and the frequently bought together, add upsells onto your add to cart pages, and even add the referral program if you can as well, where you tell other people to sell your product for them and give them some sort of bonus in return. Because a lot of people at the moment will literally just be will have a lot of time in their hands because of lockdown, or be working from home or something like that as well. And a lot of people are losing their jobs and stuff at the moment. So if you're providing value by saying like, oh, we can give you some money in return, then it gives people more of a solution to sell the product to other people. Because a lot of people do. I mean, I know if I find a good product that I actually really like, then I'll tell other people about it, and they'll go on through my recommendation and buy it themselves. I don't earn any commission from them at all. Obviously, we do some affiliate marketing and stuff like that as well, but most of the time I'm just literally telling people, oh, this worked for me, this really helped. So if you could do that and get a bit of money for it in return, then you know that it's going to work really well. Report, see if that's back. Okay, right. So yeah, we can see that the loading time is in 8.4 seconds from Canada, so that's probably not the best. However, they do have more they have more people on their actual site itself. Not more people, they have more information on the site, more images, and more products and everything like that as well. So you got to take that into an account. This JT metrics basically shows you what you can improve about your site, or what your competitors can improve about their site as well. So it shows you different things. So like, if you know that what they're doing good and what they're doing wrong, then you could make your own store, sort of basically not copying what they're doing, but modeling what they're doing, making sort of seeing what they're doing well and seeing what they can improve and improve it. And then from the fact that you can see what they improve, you can add your own unique selling point onto there. So think of something that's amazingly that can sell better than this, and you'll make a successful dropship. And with a lot of effort and a lot of work, you can create a successful dropshipping store. So that was a quick video on just everything on how to tell the difference between one that's not as good and one that's really amazing. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you'd like to see more videos in the future similar to this, where we go through Shopify stores and show you how to improve your Shopify stores or even create them, then just put it in the comments below with your suggestions. We'll be reading through them, or you can contact our email at sales@madaboutmedia, madabout.media that is. Thank you everyone for watching. Please subscribe if you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you later.